Let's learn how to activate your Destiny credit card online. So welcome back everyone. In this quick and simple tutorial, we'll learn how to easily activate your Destiny credit card online. It's a pretty straightforward process, and the first step you want to do is to open your preferred web browser and then go to the website called destiny.myfinanceservice.com. I'm gonna leave the website link in the video description so you can open it from there. When you open the link, it's gonna get you to their official website and it's gonna look something like this. Now, in order to activate our Destiny credit card online, we will first have to log into our Destiny account that we had created earlier. You'll see the login form at the right side of the screen, so we will have to enter our Destiny account username and password and then click on the login button. But if you don't have a Destiny account, you can easily create one by clicking this Register Your Account button. They're gonna ask you to enter some information and details in order to create your account, and when you do that, you simply need to log in and your Destiny credit card will be activated automatically. And that's essentially it, everyone. That's how to activate the Destiny credit card online. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.